Now that's more like it. Pedro back at you with the RideShare Guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you every order that I get from DoorDash on my lunch shift, the good and the bad, which ones I'm taking and why, and you guys will come along for the ride along. What will I get in St. Louis, Missouri today in the Diamond Zone? All right, so I declined that $15 order you guys just saw, and in the beginning of the video you saw, I believe it was $17 plus. I waited on that one. That was the second order I got, and it wound up being 18 bucks. Third order came in, Chowder King, $7, 1.5. I'm definitely going to take that. So after one decline and two accepts, we're at $25.50. We've worked for 24 minutes. So our fourth order comes in at $19.85, 7.2, double stack, same customer. But if you look right here, I'm in an Aldi parking lot. I want me to go to another Aldi, which did make a lot of sense. You can actually jump to task. You can actually shop on the DoorDash app at a different Aldi, which, as you can see, I'm there. You jump to task, you hit the delivery button or the directional button, and then you mark that you arrived there, and you can do your shopping. You'll save time. You'll save fuel. And I knew this Aldi, and I know they're going to have all the items I need, so it helps. That's a little trick for you guys. Jump to task is going to save me a lot. It's going to save me a little bit of miles, but it's going to save me time. Because instead of driving to the place they wanted me to go, I'm already here. I'm going to shop this in like 10 minutes. They had everything. Look, told you. 3 minutes and 43. Easy money. Now, that's not an order I would normally maybe take. It is going to the same customer, I believe. But because I was in an Aldi parking lot, it's going to take me 30 minutes from beginning to end to make 17 bucks. I don't mind that. If I was somewhere else in St. Louis and I had to drive that Aldi and do all that, it's going to take longer. I'd probably decline it. I think I said 17. It's $19.85 that's going to pay me for 30 minutes of time. Next order coming in, $6 with a plus sign. In my zone of St. Louis, I try to stay in a very small area. I don't do a lot of long runs unless the money's really good or it's really slow. As you see, a lot of these runs are things that I'm seeing and accepting. You guys have seen everything that I hit my phone today. The mileage isn't crazy. That last one for me is a little longer, but it was paying 19 bucks and we got it done in 32 minutes. So here's a Papa John's. We just literally got that offer. That's how close we were to it. Hopefully they stack it. So that last order went up to 7. The next order came in was $2.25. I don't ever take $2.25 orders. Not profitable, not worth it. All right, this is a little bit better. $13.50 this time of the day. $13.50, 7.8. Really would want a plus sign next to that, but salvage yard, it's a local spot. I'll take it because I can dash now up there. Let's go. So that order brought us to a different zone, but I knew I could dash in that zone, and I know there's a lot of things around there, so that's part of the decision making in my process. I should be able to get something right away. Well, I was right, but I don't want $3.50. Let's hold off and see what we get next. Now that's what we're looking for, and that's actually going back in the direction we want to be. I'll take this. And we are right by that Black Market Eats. All right, nice $10.50 tip. I'll take that. Let's see what else we can get. Hasn't been going off a lot today, but we've had some decent ones and we've declined a few. Next offer we got, we didn't screenshot, but this is a final payout of El Maguey. Went up 50 cents or 75 cents. And my AR currently is above 70. I'll show you guys these things because I can still cherry pick for the most part and have a high AR. Now, I still see $2 and $3 orders. We saw 2 of them today, but most of what I see is worth my time. What about you guys? You guys tell me how your market is right now. And regardless if you're in a diamond zone or not, do you take orders like this? Why or why not in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys. See you guys next week.